When it comes to engine options, the Nissan Rogue, the second generation 2014-2020, had only one non-hybrid engine. This is the 2.5-liter QR25DE, very old Japanese engine, very good, very reliable, and actually there are no common problems but some oil consumption issues and maybe phaser issues at 150,000 miles. But usually these engines are very reliable, they are not expensive to repair or maintain. They are quite good, but they are coupled with the CVT transmission, and this is the problem with this car. So CVT transmission will not last long, and it's very expensive to repair or replace. Also, there was another option, the hybrid Nissan Rogue was just a couple more years of the hybrid Nissan Rogue in the second generation, and it used a 2-liter M5R or MR20 DDT engine. This was also a good engine, more modern than the 2.5-liter engine, so with more problems with ecology and all these things, but anyway, it's also quite a good engine. It had some hybrid specific problems, but overall the engine itself is quite good. The problem is that even the hybrid models were equipped with the simple Xtronic CVT. So you keep these problems whatever you buy, the hybrid or non-hybrid, you will have the CVT, which is the biggest problem with these cars. Engines are quite good and long lasting.